Once upon a time, in a land filled with blooming flowers and towering castles, lived a kind-hearted girl named Cinderella. She had eyes as bright as the morning star and hair as golden as the summer sun, but her life was not as bright as she was. Cinderella lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters, who treated her more like a servant than a family member, making her do all the chores while they enjoyed their luxurious lives. One day, an invitation arrived for a royal ball at the palace. The king's son, Prince Charming, was searching for a bride, and everyone was invited. Cinderella's stepsisters were ecstatic and immediately began preparing their finest gowns. But when Cinderella asked if she could go, her stepmother sneered and said, "You're not fit to be seen in a place like that." Heartbroken, Cinderella watched her family leave for the ball, leaving her alone and in tears. Suddenly, a gentle shimmer of light appeared, and with it, a kind fairy godmother. "Don't cry, dear Cinderella," said the fairy godmother with a warm smile. "You shall go to the ball." With a wave of her wand, the fairy godmother transformed Cinderella's ragged clothes into a dazzling gown, complete with glass slippers that sparkled in the moonlight. She then turned a pumpkin into a gleaming carriage and mice into majestic horses. "But remember," said the fairy godmother, "this magic will only last until midnight." At the ball, Cinderella caught everyone's attention, especially Prince Charming's. They danced the night away, laughing and talking until the clock began to strike 12. In a panic, Cinderella fled, leaving behind one of her glass slippers on the grand staircase. The next day, the prince declared he would marry the girl whose foot fit the slipper. He visited every house in the kingdom. When he reached Cinderella's house, her stepsisters tried desperately to force their feet into the dainty shoe. But it was Cinderella's foot that slipped perfectly into the glass slipper. With joy and love, Prince Charming realized he had found the girl who made his heart sing. He married Cinderella, and together they lived happily ever after, with Cinderella finally surrounded by the love and kindness she always deserved.